Hey guys, Stephen Gilbert RC here. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but the camera's kind of doing something on its own. It's moving on its own. And we're going to be testing the DJI Osmos Mobile 4. And we're going to be testing it on these. Hopefully you can see these. So, we'll be testing on this, see if it'll follow it outside and see how well it does. I think this is a really neat tool for 160 bucks after Amazon shipping and everything. It's really cool. My patrons from my other YouTube channel paid for this, so you guys get to enjoy that benefit. So, have fun. Have a good day. Enjoy the video. There's like a crosshair on there. There we go. Now we can record. Oh, lost it already. Wow. Need bigger cars. Oh, wow. Wow. There. It seems to hold on to that pretty well. Oh, lost it. Okay, let's charge up the 8th scale and try that. Really, you can see I'm sitting here trying to tell it to track that car. Hello, I'm over here. Wow, it really wants to track that mailbox. Oh my god, this is so dumb.
Yeah.
Let's do like a good burst and see what it does. I tracked it again. Yeah, I think under very ideal circumstances this would probably be great. Oops. Sorry. Wow, just died. Really. Just not gonna do anything, huh? Yeah. I'm done. This is not working as I hoped. Now if I was manually tracking it probably would work a lot better, but it is what it is. We've learned this isn't really perfect for RC, but it seems to work pretty well with people and wanting to walk around and kind of showing off, you know, the camera, you know, or the car, or if it works right, the other cars. So I think it's a fun tool, but I don't think it's RC ready. I mean, as far as the action tracking stuff, I think if you get some skilled hands that can keep track of a car pretty well, maybe a racetrack situation might be pretty cool. But yeah, so that's what I think of it. Thank you guys, enjoy. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and have a good day.